Doylay, congratulations. Wish you all the best.
Diba? Pre-practice namin
Yeah.
yun.
Congratulations, Colleen and Eliza. Best wishes.
Congratulations, Colleen and Eliza. God bless you.
Congratulations and best wishes.
Eliza and Colleen. Baby boy. Ano na? Bye-bye.
Best wishes, Eliza and Colleen. Congrats from HR Department.
Congratulations, Eliza and Colleen. Best wishes.
Best wishes, Colleen and Eliza. Thank you. Congratulations.
Hi, Ate Eliza and Sir Colleen. Congratulations on your wedding day. Ang masasabi ko lang po is, wala na akong masabi ulit. Nahihiya ako. Ayun lang, I'm so happy for the both of you. Neto ko lang po kayo nakilala, yan si Sir Colleen, tapos kayo po. Sana makasama ko pa po kayo sa mga gala. And yun lang, sana happy po kayo palagi.
Hi, Colleen and Eliza. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Stay strong.
Sana bumuhos pa sa inyo yung blessing.
Congratulations, Ate Eliza and Kuya Colleen. Best wishes to the both of you. More blessings to come.
I love you.
Hi, Colleen, Eliza. Congrats sa inyong dalawa sa kasal nyo. Naway patubayan kayo ng Panginoon sa inyong bubuoy pamilya. At sana mas makatatag pa kayo at makabahay nyo kayo pasensya lalo na magsasama kayo parehas ngayon. Yun lang. Maraming salamat sa invitation. Thumbs up. Salamat.
Congratulations! Best wishes!
Ngayon, may asawa ka na. Tigil-tigilan mo na pag-email, ha? Pag-focus ka na sa asawa mo. Mag-iingat lang kayo palagi. God bless.
Hi, Eliza and Colleen. Congratulations and best wishes sa inyong dalawa. And sana huwag mong kalimutan, Colleen, na dapat laging masusunod ang babae. Laging masusunod si Eliza for more years with you and to come as well. So, congrats!
Hi, Colleen and Eliza.
Congratulations.
And best wishes. May God be the center of your relationship. And good luck to the next journey of your marriage life. Yan. Happy weddings! Go.
Happy wedding day. Ang cute mo.
Hi, Lai! Hi, Col! Congrats sa inyong dalawa. Best wishes sa inyo. And sana mas tumagal pa kayong dalawa.
Nagsiselos yan.
Bye!
Hi, Ate Eli! Congratulations! And Kuya Colleen, best wishes!
Best wishes po. Congrats!
Love Selental!
Hello, Tia Eliza. Congrats sa inyong dalawa. Best wishes. Enjoy sa honeymoon. Congrats ulit.
Hi, Eliza and Colleen. Best wishes and congratulations. Enjoy!
Hi, Ate Eliza. Congrats and God bless you. May the Lord protect you kay ni Kuya Colleen and lagi kayong mag-iingat. Yan lang. God bless.
Congratulations, Colleen and Eliza. I'm so happy for you. Just know that as your ninang, I'm always here for you. So don't hesitate to call me anytime. Always put God in the center of your marriage and everything will be okay. Kasi hindi naman laging masaya yan. There will be ups and downs, but with God, He will always guide you. Okay, congratulations.
Hello, Ate and Kuya. Congratulations, best wishes, and God bless.
Congrats sa inyong dalawa!
Hi, Lai and Doy. Yes, so congratulations. We are so happy for you. Sana maging masagana ang pagsasama ninyong dalawa. Yan, so,
Natawagan ng ako.
Yes, at Lai, sana masabaan mo pa ang pasensya sa aking mahal na kapatid. Alam mo na yan.
Yes.
So, congratulations. I love you po.
Dapat pala ikaw na magsabi mamaya.
Okay na po. Thank you.
Tapos na?
Hindi. Magme-message ka kay Ate Alin saka kay Kuya Colin. Mag-message.
Anong message ko?
Congrats. Ganon.
Congrats. Alliance Colin.
Nahiya.